Parrot feather, Myriophyllum aquaticum. Parrot feather is not native to Florida. It's easy to see why this immersed aquatic plant is called parrot feather. Its delicate, feathery, bright green leaves grow in profusion in or out of the water. It is believed the parrot feather was introduced as an aquarium plant. It is now found in fresh waters throughout the state. Parrot feather leaves are oblong and deeply cut and have a filiform, feathery appearance. Leaf color is bright blue-green. Like most other water milfoils, parrot feather leaves are arranged in whorls about the stem. Its leaves are in whorls of 4 to 6. Stems can be 5 feet long. They trail along the ground, becoming erect and leafy at the ends. Parrot feather leaves are feathery and blue-green. Like most other water milfoils, parrot feather leaves are arranged in whorls of 4 to 6 leaves about the stem. Its viney stems can be 5 feet long.